Whoa, where did all the snow come from? I went to bed yesterday, no snow. Wake up today, so much snow. What's going on, guys? I hope y'all having a good day today. I'm actually going to meet up with the homie Ron Diaz. If I'm squinting, the snow's like in my eyes. What about you now? Yo, this mirror is so funny, it's taped on. What?
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go take some photos and whatnot, see what we can come up with today.
Brand deal right there. Brand deal. Finesse it. Finesse it. Go, go, go. Take another shot. You see that? Oh, it's just a rock. What do we do? Just stare at it? Yeah. I don't understand. It's pretty cold. A little bit. It's okay though. Then I'll really finesse this camera, you know? How come everyone keeps saying finesse these days? Finesse? Finesse these hoes. Finesse, finesse, finesse these hoes. I think I'm gonna do my engagement here. I ain't got no girl. No.
Pamela Anderson?
No. No.
All you have to do is see this.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Fiji.
But why is it pink?
Because I put a little meal in it. You know, you have to have the contrast, a little bit of color, and something that's so plain.
Oh, so smart, this guy. Smart guy.
When someone takes a photo for you and it doesn't turn out the way that you took the photo for them, that's what just happened. When the winter shooting gets real though, you have to add the double jackets. Super clutch right now. So this makes all the shots like super smooth and looks like the camera's just floating. Makes your footage look super dope. I'll show you what I mean right now. Jeez, it's cold. Ron Diaz is making me help him move for whatever reason. Like, he's like, yo, let's meet up, let's shoot some stuff. I'm like, all right, I'm down to shoot some stuff. When I get here, she's like, by the way, we need to move some stuff. I'm down for that. I'm helping him move, getting some dope photos. We're probably gonna head downtown.
Pasa de nada.
Pasa de nada? Sounds like pasa de nothing.
It's just call it nata.
If you broke, you got nata.
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 You ain't getting nata.
Nata. We're stuck in traffic on the highway.
Stuck in traffic.